Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we're gonna see an issue which is related to Microsoft Teams. So our microphone is not working in Microsoft Teams, so we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So first of all, make sure you have unmuted your microphone. If it is unmuted, then simply click on this icon and then you will get the audio settings of microphone. Make sure that the microphone which you are using is selected. You can also check whether the microphone is working or not, and for that just say something in your microphone and this graph will blow up. The second thing you have to do is that you have to check whether the microphone permission is given to the Teams or not, and for that go to settings, go to privacy, and in app permissions you will get an option of microphone. First of all, turn on this toggle button, then turn on this one, and here you will get a list of the applications which are using your microphone. Now in this list we are not getting the Microsoft Teams. This is because we have not used the Microsoft Teams for a single time. Once you will start a meeting, you will easily get this option. Now you can see we have this option of Microsoft Teams, so make sure that it is enabled. Now if still your microphone is not working, then reconnect your microphone, open settings, go to system, go to sound, and here select the microphone which you are using. Now take a test whether your microphone is working or not, and for that just say something in microphone, and if the graph blow ups, then it means now your microphone is working, and if it is not, then it means there is a problem with your microphone. So I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.